What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. Today I actually have a really cool part that came in, another GKTech part. As I mentioned before, GKTech is an Australian-based company. They started in 2003. They make pretty good quality parts and everybody seems to love them. So I actually got, bet you won't guess what this is. It probably says in the title. Tension rods. Now what's really cool about these tension rods is that they actually offer 9 degrees of steering angle space. So what that means is that it's actually going to give you more space for your wheel to sort of hug in. So you'll see when I open up that there's going to be sort of, it's going to be curved. The one I have right now, I'm using an SPL part and it's actually been great, except for it was sort of designed before all this newer drifting technology came out. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it. How should I start? I will get a better tool to unbox it. It's a really good scissors though. All right, it's black packaging. I think it's kind of cool. And it has a good, interesting feel to it. So much fun. All righty. Little shipping damage. Sorry, this is some robust parts. You can feel it. It's heavy, beefy. Love it. All right, more unboxing. Ooh, the black GKTech. All righty. So, all right, let's see what we have here. One more cut. Boom, done. All right, ooh, bubble wrap. Love me some bubble wrap. All righty, so opening it up, we have the How Did We Do card. Pretty sure I'll be satisfied with this purchase. I've got faith. Some neat bubble wrap. Let's get this box out of here so you guys can see here. Rubber grommets. Just kind of slide everything off of here. Like so. Chunk. All right. First thing, we have the dust covers. Which is really cool. I've actually bought a lot of aftermarket parts before. And honestly, this stuff just over time, it doesn't bother, you know, if you keep your car in a garage, but if you daily drive your car at all, or you use it on the street, and you obviously in the rain, or even drive it at the track in the rain, things just rust, and it sucks. So this is very good to have because it can hopefully, you know, just cut down a little bit on the maintenance, keep things looking nice and fresh. This is pretty cool too. We actually have some bolts here. I've actually not ran decent bolts on my car in years for these. I've always, you know, just used some aftermarket ones, or found some ones in a parts bin. And it's actually really nice to actually have some fresh ones. So that's always a pleasure. What's really cool, actually really like this, they actually have a little 180SX on the box here, doing some drifting. I wonder whose car that is. No idea. All right. Let's see what's next. Obviously there's 2 of them. Here we go. All right, so this is actually a really cool piece. First thing you notice is that this is beefy. It's about, almost an inch thick, not quite an inch thick, but this is solid piece. Nothing, this is not going anywhere. And obviously, so another thing with all this newer technology is that this is offset, so it actually hugs in closer to the car, so you have even more clearance. And then you can see this little dip here. Allows the wheel to sink in. The one that I have right now just literally goes straight across, and without this part it actually sits here, so it's actually has even more clearance that you can get through this. You can see all this solid piece here. You can probably hear it on the mic. This feels good, feels solid, just heavy, beefy, robust part. I'm pretty sure if I hit anything, this is not going to break. Probably other stuff is going to break. In fact, this is beefier than my lower control arm. That's just an extended lower control arm, which I had welded and extended. Props to Lee Alexander for getting that welded for me. Obviously, it's another. You get two, one for each side. It's just amazing how beefy these things are. Actually, I don't think these will bend. I'm gonna look online. I don't think you can bend these. Like in an axle, this is not the first thing to bend. I mean, obviously you can bend anything if you hit it hard enough, but I don't think that these are gonna this will be the first thing to bend. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna bend my lower control arm before I bend these, which is actually pretty cool. Because I've actually bent some DOM parts, just hitting a bump too hard actually at VIR, and it just bent it. Luckily, it was within the warranty, and the company replaced it, but it was still some beefy stuff. This is some beefy stuff. I like it. Obviously, you have the GKTech sticker, GKTech.com. So yeah, these are very good. I think that's it for me for right now. I'm not going to undo the zip tie just because these parts, I've lost these parts in the past. I'm not losing those. So thanks for watching. I've got some more unboxing coming soon. I got lots of more stuff for the off season. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, leave a message in the comments if you think this video is silly, or if you think this video is helpful, or other things I can add, other parts that you think I should maybe get in association with this. Thanks again for watching.